Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable call waiting on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then we're going to tap on the phone application. Next tap on the option key at the top. And then from the pop-up tap on settings. In settings, you want to go down and tap on supplementary services. And then in here, tap on call waiting. So I'm just waiting for the phone to pull down the information from the network. Now once this one become active, you can turn it on or off. Now every time you switch it on or off, it sends the command to your network provider, as you can see. And that's it. So that's how you can turn on or turn off call waiting on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.